Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will show you how to install the Java in computer. First I have to come in search box and type here command prompt and click here and type here Java C and press enter. Look here, Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command because in this time Java is not installed in my machine. Due to this, it is not understand what is Java C, and this is the Java compiler. And simply I close it, open the Chrome browser. Okay, and type here Google, press enter. And in the search box I have to type JDK downloads, JDK downloads, and simply I click on this link. Okay, the oracle.com website is open here, and simply I have to come here and look here. This is the JDK versions and Java Development Kit 8U162. This is the version of the JDK, and according to operating system the JDK is available here, and this is for Linux, and here this is for Windows. It is also giving the bits of the operating system. My window is 64 bits, so I simply want to download this JDK, and simply I click here and click on this link. Okay, look here, this is the download process, and simply click on the start download. It is taking 7 minutes near about. So I have already downloaded the JDK, so I cancel it, but you process for installation because first time you need to download the JDK. And simply I close it, close the browser, come to this PC and open it, click the download and come to programs, and here this is my JDK, and simply I need to double click here. Okay, it is taking little time. They want to allow the following programs to make changes to this computer. Yes, and the JDK installation is going on. It is taking little time. My machine is slow, so it is taking time. Okay, Windows installer preparing to install, and look here, Java SC Development Kit 8 update 161 64-bit, and it is updating installation. And after updating, simply click on the next. Development tools, you don't change, make change. C programs, Java, JDK 1.8.0 underscore 161, and this is the installation path, and simply I click on the next. Installation going on, updating component registrations. Copying new files. Extracting installers. The setup is going on, installation process going on. I simply click on the next, and Java setup progress. 3 billion devices run Java. The installation going on, and okay. Click next to access the API document developer guides release, but I simply close it. My setup is successfully completed. I come to here, this PC, and open the local C drive, program files. Look here, this is the Java folder, and look here, JDK and JRE, Java Development Kit and Java Runtime Environment installed here, and click here, go to bin, copy this path and close it. Right click on this PC and click on the properties and click on advanced setting, system setting, system properties open, and click the advanced and then select the environment variable, take the path and edit, and simply come to a starting point, give here semicolon and paste and click on OK, and click on OK. Okay, there are two ways by which you can set the path. One is the temporary and second is the permanent. This is the permanent way by which you can set the path of JDK, and I simply close it and again come to search box and type here command prompt and open the command prompt and then simply type here Java C and press enter. Look here, after installation the Java C command under standby here, and it provides the all informations about the Java compiler, and Java C is successfully, Java compiler is recognized as a command here. So all process of the installation of the JDK is completed here, and you will understand what is the importance or what is if the Java is not installed in your computer. When you type the Java C, it gives the message it is not recognized as a internal or external command, and after installation it will give you all these information. After that you understand Java is installed here, and you understand how to set the path of JDK. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.